Hi everybody, this is Eric with Geospatial Training Services. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our annual GIS training license. This license gives individuals and organizations unlimited access to our comprehensive suite of approximately 40 self-paced online GIS courses. This license is designed to provide flexible 24/7 learning opportunities across various GIS topics. So with that in mind, I have 10 reasons why you might be interested in subscribing to our annual GIS training license. Number one, you get unlimited access to all of our online classes. With the annual GIS training license, you get 24/7 access to our complete library of self-paced GIS courses. Right now, that includes roughly 40 self-paced online GIS classes. That number varies a little bit year by year, but right now, that gives you access to about 40 self-paced online classes. Number two, you can learn at your own pace. The flexibility of this license means that you can complete courses in a single day, or you can spread them out over weeks, allowing you to learn on your own schedule and fit your training around your work and personal responsibilities. Number three is the cost savings. You can save up to 70% compared to purchasing these courses individually. This license is a cost-effective solution for individuals and organizations looking to enhance their GIS skills without breaking the budget. Number four is our diverse course offerings. From introductory and intermediate ArcGIS Pro classes to geoprocessing automation with Python to spatial analysis, data visualization, as well as ArcGIS Online and Experience Builder, our training catalog covers a wide range of GIS tools and skills designed to meet the needs of professionals at any level. Number five, you can stay current with industry trends. GIS technology obviously evolves very rapidly, and with this license, you'll have access to the latest courses and updates to the courses throughout the year, ensuring that you stay ahead in a competitive field. Number six, this license is perfect for teams and for organizations. Whether you're a single individual looking to get training or whether you're an organization of any given size, you can train your entire team with just one license. The annual GIS training license scales to organizations of all sizes, making it ideal for companies and agencies looking to standardize GIS knowledge across their entire workforce. Number seven is our renewal price lock. Once you purchase the annual GIS training license, your renewal rate is locked in as long as you continue to renew annually, and this protects you from potential price increases. Number eight, real-world application. Our courses are designed with practical, real-world applications in mind. You'll only learn the tools that you need. You'll not only learn the tools that you need, but also how to apply them to solve spatial problems effectively. Number nine, expert instructors. You'll learn from seasoned GIS professionals with years of industry experience who are dedicated to helping you succeed. And finally, number 10, our special holiday sale. You can take advantage of an additional 20% off of our annual GIS training license through December 31st. So now is the perfect time to invest in your professional growth. Thank you for joining me today, and we hope you'll consider our annual GIS training license.